Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I have a special Chanel unboxing for you because this one was a gift from my mom and it is a bag that I'm dying to show you, and I wanted to talk about it and tell you why I think this is the best Chanel bag. They currently have something very similar in the new collection, and that's why I wanted to also review it, share with you. So if you're interested, keep watching. Don't forget to come follow me on my Instagram, which you can see here on the screen. Show you my new purchases, how I style them, show you my daily outfits on stories. Sometimes I take you shopping with me on stories as well, do short vlogs. So do come say hi on Instagram as well. Right, let's start with the new jewelry pieces. I'm currently wearing this stunning pair of earrings, and I was so excited to talk to you about these because they definitely give me major Chanel fine jewelry vibes. And I'm talking about the Chanel Ruban range. It is my favorite range from Chanel. All their pieces look so pretty with the bows. It is white gold with diamonds, and the prices are quite steep. Also, they're very hard to get. I've been on the waiting list for one of the pieces for over 2 years, so I decided to look for alternatives and found these. And how good do they look? Tell me in the comments, don't they look amazing? So these are from one of my favorite brands that I talk to you guys about all the time, Italo jewelry, and they're so affordable. Their pieces are sterling silver and they don't tarnish. They will last you a very long time. I've had some of my oldest Italo jewelry for maybe 3, I would say even 4 years now, and honestly they still look brand new. I know many of you have also bought Italo jewelry because of my recommendations, so it always makes me happy to hear that you guys trust my recommendations, because I wouldn't just show you something that I don't personally use or love. And yeah, these are great. I was so excited to show you these. I think they're the cutest. They are quite dressy because of the pearl, and they're in silver with the crystals. I'll show you an up close on the ear. Then these are the boxes the pieces come in, and they come with a little dust bag, certificates, polishing cloth, and also these are the boxes. So I did pick up another pair that I thought, actually both of these pairs of earrings, they're both earrings, they're very fitting for today's video because I'm planning to wear them with some of my Chanel pieces, and especially I pre-ordered. I still haven't received my Chanel pre-ordered items from the new collection. That's why the vlog and the unboxings are still not up. I'm sorry about that, but sometimes it takes longer for them to receive the pieces. But I thought this next pair of earrings, here it is, will be perfect. It will match so well. I'm kind of giving it away now by showing you these. You can probably tell what pieces I pre-ordered, but I thought these will be such a nice combo. They're such a sweet pair of earrings, and I told you guys in fall and winter I mainly wear like darker clothes, and that's why I wanted to add some more jewelry pieces with black accents, black crystals, and these are perfection. I think they're the sweetest. I honestly love both pairs. I can't decide which one is my favorite. Let me know in the comments. But now I can't wait to receive my pre-ordered ready-to-wear pieces so I can start wearing them together. I think it will be the cutest look. Okay, here it is, my new bag, and this one I actually wasn't planning to unbox. I've already worn it. If you've watched some of my vlogs, I think I filmed a weekly vlog or like a weekend vlog, and I did wear this bag, and some of you even DM'd me saying, Maria, we didn't see you unbox this bag, what's going on? You guys don't miss anything. So I thought I would do an unboxing because I've been using it for a while and I think it's such a brilliant bag, and I want to talk to you about it. So this, as I mentioned, was a very generous hand-me-down gift from my mom. This is from her collection, and she gave it to me because she wasn't using it, and I was like, yeah, give it to me, I'm gonna use it so much. I actually really wanted to try out this style. I don't have anything like it in my collection. It didn't come with the bag, but for the purpose of this video, you know, it came with this bag only. But yeah, here it is. It is the Chanel clutch wristlet, and I think it is the most beautiful, such a cool clutch. I love the perforated Chanel with the eyelets and the studs, and it has, can you guys see, it has silver hardware. Now, if you guys know me, you know I'm a huge fan of gold hardware, but I don't actually have many pieces, jewelry or bags. I think I only have one other bag with silver hardware, and sometimes, especially when I wear a full black look, I'm more drawn to silver hardware, earrings, bags, whatever, like accessories. Guys, I cannot tell you how much I've used this bag. I literally grab it almost every day, every other day, I would say. It is the easiest bag to carry, and especially because it has a wristlet. Can you guys see, like a little handle, and it has a chain one. It gives it a more edgy vibe, but I love the studs as well. You can see the perforated Chanel. We have 31 Rue Cambon Coco. It's such a cute clutch, and this one, as far as I remember, was from, surprisingly, actually I was surprised. I did some research. I thought it was the collection before, but from what I found, this was from spring summer 2019. And in this collection I didn't really remember seeing this bag, but apparently it came with that collection. Correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, I'm pretty sure it's from spring summer 2019. Maybe it is a pre-collection. It looks more like a pre-collection bag to me, but this also came in an actual flat bag. It came in light pink, white, navy blue, black. This is the black one, and to be honest I like all of them, but I'm glad my mom had the black one because it goes with everything. It's the easiest one to style, especially with the silver hardware. So yeah, I love the more edgy look to it. It has a cool CC logo zipper, and inside it is, can you guys see, it is suede, and you can see through the holes as well. This is it from a distance, just so you can see how spacious this is inside. So I know Chanel has released similar ones. They do occasionally release pouches with a wristlet, and I think these are such a great buy because they're very practical. They do pouches only without the wristlets. I wouldn't buy these. I think these, personally, to me, they're a waste. Yes, I think it looks really cool when you just hold it under your arm as a clutch, but I do like to have the option to wear it on the crook of my arm. You know, it's a bit more versatile, and if I want to be hands-free, I have the option, right? One of the main reasons I decided to film this video and unbox this bag is because when I reviewed the current collection, the 23K Fall Winter 2023, when I filmed the review video, which I'll link above in case you've missed it, I showed you guys that currently there is a very similar clutch pouch bag with a wristlet, and I did mention in that video that I think it is a great buy. It also looks very, very classic. This is a bit more seasonal. It gives off more seasonal vibes. The one from the current collection definitely looks a bit more classic. It is just plain black. I believe it comes in pink as well, maybe some other colors, and it has the CC logo in the middle. I'll insert a picture so you can see here on the screen. I'm also certain it comes in different sizes, so it will come in a larger size and in a smaller size. I would personally go for the larger one. This is actually quite large, and I do bring some bags to compare. So this is a small classic double flap next to this pouch. Can you see the difference? This is so much bigger, and it fits a ton. And then I also bring my Chanel 19 in the small size. This also comes in medium and large, and as you can see, this is the smallest 19 available. Next to the pouch is still much bigger, and I would say probably this pouch will compare to a medium size in these. These, I don't think they would resell for premiums just because they're not very popular style from Chanel, but I think it is something different. It's not your typical double flap. So glad I got to try this style, and now I'm obsessed and I want to talk about it. So you can guys check out these pouches with a wristlet from Chanel. So yeah, let me know if you have one or if you end up getting one from the new collection. I would love to know how you find them. Alright guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's quick unboxing review of the new bag that I got as a gift. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!